my girlfriend doesn't like the roller coaster, so kind of sucks.
I'm probably gonna stay here the rest of the night because this ride's really good.
Oh, there's like nobody here.
Oh, there's lots of bees up there. Like that. I do like this drop though.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes.
That was great. Oh, that was your first time?
Yeah. Oh, you need to do the back.
That's what I'm doing next.
It's so good in the back.
Oh. Front's fun too.
Yeah.
This is the first time I ever rode front of roller coasters.
Oh, really?
So that was exciting.
Yeah, it's a pretty good dynamic change because in the front you get the view and then you get the wind rushing in your
Right.
face. The back, especially on this ride, you get the pull on the drop.
Are you annual pass member?
I'm an annual pass member, but I'm from New Jersey.
Oh, okay. How often are you down here?
I usually try and come down at least once a year.
Okay.
Once a year, sometimes twice. 3 is a gift. One day I'd like to try and move down here.
I'm from here, but I live in Denver for the past 14 years.
Oh.